because, baby, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing another one of them. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel, Life is De'j. And if you are watching this video, that means you just got done watching my new intro. So comment down below and let me know what y'all think, because it took me forever to make that intro video. And when I did my last nail video on the press-ons, a lot of people was asking like, girl, why is you wearing press-ons? Like, you was too old for them. But honestly, y'all, them press-ons stayed on for 2 weeks and they was like $6. Like, what nail shop? And I don't like the nail shop. And I'm gonna be doing a story time on my worst experience at the nail shop. You know, stay tuned for that, because that video is freaking crazy. A little disclaimer, I am not a licensed nail tech whatsoever. Actually, shout out to Long Hair Pretty Nails here on YouTube. Y'all, she is so bomb, and if you want to know how to do your nails, go watch her channel, because I was looking at all her videos trying to figure out how to do polygel. I went and ordered some stuff off Amazon, so you know, shout out to you. I'm just gonna be trying this for the second time, because the first time was terrible. You know, practice makes perfect. So let's hop right into this video. I'm gonna be showing y'all everything that came in the package. So of course it came with instructions, some alcohol pads. This is top coat and base coat. And of course some nail files, a little brush, a cup for your solution. This is the brush you're going to use for your polygel, and a cuticle scraper. Also came with some cuticle oil, dual forms, and a 36-watt UV lamp. So these are actually for your toes, so I'm not going to use those. And we have some rhinestones and some tape and tweezers to put them on. And last but not least, we have 6 different polygels. Okay, so time to start on my nails. I'm going to start with clean hands, and I'm just filing the nails lightly to take away any shine. This is an important step so your nails actually last. Next, I'm going to be sizing my nails with the dual forms. Now, you might have to file the sides a little bit, because all of them did not fit my fingers. They were a little too big or a little too small. So that's the thing with dual form. So I'm going to apply the base coat on all my nails, a nice even layer, and I'm going to cure that in my UV lamp for about 2 minutes, since it's a 36-watt lamp. And once that's done, I'm just going to get everything ready to apply the polygel on my dual forms. And I'm pouring the slip solution. You only need a little bit, because a little goes a long way. So you want to dampen that brush so the polygel does not stick. And now you are just going to shape that polygel the way you want your nail. And I make mine more thin by the cuticle and on the sides, and more thick in the middle, just because it seems to be easier that way, and you don't want the polygel to spill out. And these dual forms do have lines on them, so you know how long you're making each nail. So once I have my nail the way that I want it, I just place it on my finger and wipe away anything that spilled out, and flip it over and kind of flatten out that back. And then I'm going to place it in my UV lamp for about 2 minutes. So once I take the nail out, I'm going to pop the dual form off, and y'all, it looks so pretty. It's already shiny, like it's so cute. But I'm just going to continue to do the same thing with all my nails. And then a little side note, never go smaller on a dual form. If it doesn't fit, get the bigger one and file it, because if you get the smaller one, y'all, it's just going to be hell at the end. So that's just a side note. And this is how my nails look so far, and I'm not even done. So this is where I tried to show y'all my index finger, because it was a little crooked. It like slipped when I was putting it in the UV light. So I'm trying to fix it with more polygel. You know, it turned out okay in the end, but it was a little crooked. I'm not even gonna lie. So this is how my nails look before I shape and file them. And right now I'm just filing them and seeing what length I want. So these are my nails after they've been shaped and filed. And y'all, I tried to fix that index finger because it was just leaning to the side. But I'm just putting top coat on them and I'm going to cure that in the lamp. Then I decided that I wanted to add a little rhinestones to one of my nails because my nails just look so plain. And I thought I wanted to do it to all of them at first, but then this took a second. So I'm like, nah, let me just do it to one. And I put some top coat on it, cured it, and we was good to go. So these are my nails and this is the finishing look, y'all. I'm just going to add a little cuticle oil so my cuticles ain't dusty and crusty. So this is the finishing product. I'm super happy with the way these came out. They are so pretty. And I'm going to be doing more videos on polygel just because this process was so easy. So I want to thank y'all for watching and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Hold on. Let me get together. Okay. All right. So I'm focused, you know. Can you focus on me? So because I never, ever. If you are new to my channel, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button. Period.